Hello, my name is Tanvi and welcome to my first ever coding tutorial on Khan Academy. Today, I will show you how to code a bee that will fly across your screen. Here I have some basic variables and the background. Let's start top to bottom. First, I will code the antenna. This is a line command. This draws a line. Here, these are the x-coordinates of the first point. This is a variable. Here, b equals 1, so 30 plus 1 is 31. This is the y-coordinate of the first point. Here, b1 equals 200. 200 minus 50 is 150. Here is the x-coordinate of the second point. 20 plus 1 is 21. And here's the y-coordinate of the second point. 200 plus 10 is 210. Here, this line is the same format, but I changed the coordinates a little bit. Next, let's make the wings. Here I am using this ellipse command. This x-coordinate is 1. This y-coordinate is 160. 200 minus 40 is 160. The width is 25, and the height is 50. Here, I can specify the thickness of the line surrounding the ellipse, which is the name for the circle or an oval. Whenever you want to code a circle or an oval, you can type an ellipse, parentheses, and do these coordinates. This is a fill command. Here, you can change the color to whatever color you like, but I like this one for the wings. This ellipse is a little bit different, but it has the same format, just like lines. Now, let's make the body. Here I am using this no stroke command, which erases all lines for all the shapes that come after it, not the shapes that come before it, like this line or these wings. Here I am using another fill command and another ellipse command. Next, let's make the eye. Here I am using the same fill command and another ellipse command. Now, let's make the mouth with a slightly more complicated shape. This is an arc. It is a half circle, but you can make it a full circle or any type of circle based on the starting, stopping, and starting degrees. This right here is the x-coordinate of the center of the arc, y-coordinate of the center of the arc, width, height, and these are the starting and stopping degrees. If I change these, then the arc changes. I like it at a half circle for the mouth. Now, let's create the stripes. Using these rect commands. These are rectangles. This is the x-coordinate of one of the corners, the y-coordinate of one of the corners, width, height, and an optional thing called radius. I don't use it. Now, last but not least, let's code the stinger. Using a triangle command. This is the x-coordinate of the first point, y-coordinate of the first point, x-coordinate of the second point, y-coordinate of the second point, x-coordinate of the third point, and y-coordinate of the third point. This is off the screen, but it won't be once the magic happens. Now, once I type this command, the coding comes to life. Ta-da! The bee flies across the screen. This is increasing the variable b by 2 each time the code runs, which it runs really fast, which is why the bee is moving.